Class 7th, your chapter number 8, Internet Services and Applications. And today we are going to start a worksheet number 1st to worksheet number 5th, and we will complete and practice and discuss practical number 1st to 3rd. So student, let's start this topic. Class 7 student, in last class we already discussed about this topics, two important terms. Okay, so terms to learn we already discussed in the last class. So wiki, a technology that allows the creation of collaborate websites, so it's known as a wiki, Wikipedia. Okay, now social networking students, a website that allow people to share messages, comments, pictures and videos. Okay, and so it's a social networking. Then student, Facebook, you know very well, a popular social networking website founded by Mark Zuckerberg. Okay, then YouTube, the most popular video sharing website owned by Google. Okay, and apps, a small self-contained application designed to be used on mobile devices is known as an apps. Okay, next, blog, a regularly updated website or web page typically maintained by an individual or a small group. Okay, so it's a blog. Now next is a virus, a malicious program code designed to infect and cause harm to the hardware and software resources of a computer. And last, antivirus, so a software that is designed to protect and clean a computer and of viruses and malware. Okay, so it's called a antivirus. So student, we already discussed in the last video terms to learn important points. Okay, next is we discussed already, let's recall points. So wiki is a technology that allows the creation of collaborate websites, and Wikipedia is the world's largest ever expanding online encyclopedia. Anybody use it to get information on any topic free of cost. And the websites where people meet online and exchange messages, comments, pictures and videos are known as social networking sites. Okay, and you must take elementary precautions while using social networking sites. Okay, and blogs, so blogs are virtual diaries created by individuals and stored on the internet. And a computer virus is a malicious software that can harm the software and the hardware parts of your computer. Last, to minimize the threat of a virus attack, you should always have an antivirus software installed on your computer. Okay, so all this point already we discussed in the last video. Okay, next is fill in the blanks, worksheet number 1st student. So first question, the dash are like virtual diaries created by individual and stored on the internet. It's known as a blogs. Okay, then second, the dash is a very popular social networking mobile app owned by Facebook is WhatsApp. Then dash has become the undisputed leader among social networking sites. It's a Facebook. Last, and the dash is the largest online encyclopedia available on the internet, Wikipedia. A dash is a malicious computer program designed to harm your computer. It's a virus. Then a dash is a malicious code that cannot replicate itself. It's a Trojan. Okay. Last fill-ups, the dash is a self-contained application meant to run on mobile devices, apps. Okay, students, then next, then worksheet number 2 student, take the correct answer. So first question, which of these is a wiki based website? So it's an Wikipedia organized. Then which of these is a type of virus? It's a boot sector virus. Third, which of these is a social networking site? Facebook.com. Okay. Fourth, which of these is a video sharing sites? Is a YouTube.com. And fifth, Twitter is a social networking sites. Okay, then student, next worksheet number 3, true and false. So first is your computer cannot get virus email attachment, so it's a false. Okay, then worms and trojans are malicious software like viruses, so it's true statement. Third student, blogs are a type of news groups that are not part of the www, it's false statement. Fourth, microblogging is a type of blogging where chat messages are posted on a microblogging site. Yes, it's a true. And last, unregistered users can also post tweets on Twitter. So it's a false statement. Okay. Now next, the worksheet number 4. Student answer in a word or a sentences. First question, what is mean by wiki? The wiki is a technology that allows the creation of collaborate websites. Okay. And which is the largest free encyclopedia on the internet? So it's a Wikipedia. Third, what is Twitter? So Twitter is a free social networking and microblogging service. Okay. Fourth, student, what is a blog? So a blog is a regularly updated websites or web page typically maintained by an individual or a small group. Okay. Then fifth, what is a virus? So a virus is a malicious program designed to harm the computer, your or data stored in it. Okay. Sixth, what is meant by social networking websites? So social networking websites are the websites where people meet online and exchange messages, comments, pictures and videos. Okay, next come on a worksheet number 5. Answer the following question, 2 and 3 sentences. So first question, what are the advantages of using the social networking website to interact with others? So there are many advantages of using social networking websites. They allow us to communicate with our friends, family members and relatives. We can share messages, comments, pictures and videos using a social networking sites. Okay. Second, what are apps? Name any 3 app store from where you can download apps. So your answer is apps are the small self-contained application designed to be used on mobile devices. So Google Play Store, Apple's App Store and Windows Store are the 3 stores from the where we can download apps. Okay. Now next, third question, write any 3 symptoms that indicate that your computer is infected with a virus. So answer is the computer runs slowly for no apparent reason. Then program take longer to load. Then file disappear from the hard disk without deletion. Okay. Next is write any 3 safety precautions that you will observe while using the social networking. Then sites, so we should use a strong password for our social networking account. We should not share our personal information with unknown person. Last, we should check the privacy policies of a social networking site before creating an account on it. Okay. Now next, how will you uninstall an app from a tablet? Write briefly. So follow these steps to uninstall an app from a tablet. So step first, open the setting app then off your device by tapping on its icon. Then step 2, in the setting menu, tap on the apps option. All the applications on your device will get listed in a menu. Then step 3, locate the app you want to uninstall and tap on it. Then a screen will appear showing the information about the app along with the uninstall button. Then step 4, tap on the uninstall button to uninstall the app in a few seconds. The app will be removed. Okay, so it's your answer number 5. Now next is the lab time activity. So practical number first, student searching for information on Amazon rainforest in Wikipedia and using it into a create a presentation. So first of all, open your internet browser and make sure that you are connected to the internet. Then student, in the address bar of your browser, type the domain name google.com in and press the enter key. Then search engine google.com in will open. Okay. Then enter your search term Amazon rainforest in the Google search box and click on the search button. Then several links related to the topic will be shown as search result. Then first the link that direct you to Wikipedia and click on it. Okay. The Wikipedia page containing information about Amazon rainforest will open. Then go through the information used to be developed presentation Amazon rainforest in PowerPoint. Last, you can use the similar step to search information on any other topic as your requirement. Okay, come on a practical number 2, students sending an greeting using a e-greeting app. So first of all, open any e-greeting website. So we have opened the site www.egreeting.com. So you will be see a number of cards listed on the home page of the website. Okay. Second, click on any of the display card in case you do not like any of the listed cards. So open a suitable card category and search for a card matching your requirement. And third, from the card listed inside the required category, select card that you wish to send. Then a screen will appear showing how the card will look like this. So if it is an animated card, you can play an animation by clicking on the card. Then fifth, click on the email this card button to open another window, so which allow you to personalize the card, add a message to it, format the message and send the card to a required email addresses. Then enter your sender name, email address, recipient email address and your message in the card. So select a font color of your message from here. Then click to select a font size from here. After click to select a font style, bold or italic for the message text. Then click on the and button to increase decrease the font size. Enter the words showing here as they are in the text box given below. Okay. Last, click on the send a e-card button to send the greeting on the recipients. Okay. So practice is practical number 2. Third is a practical third booking ticket movie tickets online using the credit debit card. So student, do it yourself and practice this. So first of all, follow the steps. Open the site www.bookmyshop.com and select the movie and date. Okay. After select the movie theater and show timing, you can see a proper picture. Then third, select the type and number of seats you require. Okay, as it is. Then fourth, select the seats and click on the proceed to payment link. Fifth step, enter your email address, mobile number and credit card details. Click on the make payment link. Okay, the ticket will get booked. So now student, you can see a proper and follow the steps and practical first to third. Okay, do it yourself and practice. Okay, at your home. Okay. So class 7, your today's homework is important terms as discussed in the video, and just complete worksheet number 1st to 5th. Okay.